Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss MCQs on gender, school and society. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. It is very important for CTET. Question number 1. Gender refers A. Biological difference between male and female. B. Socially constructed roles and expectations. C. Only physical strength differences. D. Sex ratio of a country. Answer is B. That is socially constructed roles and expectations. Gender is a social construct, meaning society assigns different roles, expectations, and responsibilities to males and females. So, thinking that girls should cook and boys should earn is a gender stereotype, not a biological reality. Question number 2. Which of the following is a gender stereotype? A. Women can become pilots. B. Boys should not cry. Girls can play football. Men can be nurses. Answer is boys should not cry. Saying boys should not cry is a stereotype that limits emotional expression based on gender. So everyone should cry. It is not gender based emotion relief. The question number 3, the belief that girls are weaker than boys reflects A. Gender empowerment. B. Gender neutrality. C. Gender bias. D. Gender equality. Answer is C. That is gender bias. Gender bias means preferential or discriminatory attitude toward one gender. For example, choosing boys for science projects assume they are better, and girls for home science and sewing and painting. Question number 4. Which policy promotes equal opportunities for boys and girls in education? A. Exclusion policy. B. Gender discrimination. C. Inclusive education. D. Manual teaching only. Answer is C. Inclusive education. Inclusive education ensures equal access to learning resources and opportunities for both genders. Question number 5. Gender sensitivity in classroom refers to A. Ignoring gender differences. B. Promoting gender stereotypes. C. Understanding and responding to gender needs fairly. D. Teaching only boys. Answer is C. That is understanding and responding to gender needs fairly. Gender sensitivity means respecting needs, emotions, and aspirations of every gender, whether male or female, whether boy or girls in a school. Question number 6, which is an example of gender neutral activity? A. Boys play cricket while girls do arts. B. Girls sweep classrooms while boys lift benches.